Make some noise for Rana. Keep the noise going till the time he's on the stage. Come on, guys. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
Hello, hello, hello. Yes, sir. How are you?
I'm doing very well, Rana. How about you?
Hello, Comic Con. How are you? Wow, I love this energy. My Hyderabad, my Comic Con. I love this. Thank you.
So, do we begin the quiz or do you want to hear Rana for a few minutes? Okay, if you want the quiz, give single shout. If you want Rana to speak a little more, give me a louder shout.
So clearly they don't want me to be a quiz master very soon. All right, hello guys. How many of you all know Amar Chitrakatha? And what's the problem with the rest of you all then? Which country are you guys growing up in? So everything that I know in my life, everything that I've grown up to do is because of these comics, stuff that I read when I was a kid. Now I've grown up and I work for this company, so I'm really honored to be here. And very few people know, but the company started as a quiz. Uncle Pa used to be a quiz master taking quiz to students like yours. I'm just so happy and glad I'm able to do this today. So, shall we begin? All right, ladies and gentlemen, quiz master Rana Daggubadi coming.
So for the quiz to begin, we would still need the teams, right? So do we have our teams ready? Not loud enough. Teams ready? All right, can we have them on stage? 3 teams of 5 members each, please. I beg your pardon? All right, so till the time that teams are here, do you want me to ask you a few questions for you to win some goodies? All right, so here's the first question. Whom do you think is considered to be the Hindu god of war? Your options are Indra, Agni, Vayu or Kartikeya.
Indra.
Okay, audience on the left side, what do you think it is?
Indra.
Audience in the center aisle, what do you think it is? Audience in the last aisle, what do you think it is?
Kartikeya!
Kartikeya is the right answer. I have a few winners. I have selected a few. The girl over there, the guy over there, and the guy over there. All of you are winners. Please come to the booth at Amar Chitrakatha and collect your goodies, alright?
I love it. Everybody will be in the booth.
I would love that to happen in case if you're buying the goodies though. Alright. Do you want one more or do we get the teams on stage? Alright. So, with which planet is Brihaspati identified with? Is it Mercury? Is it Saturn? Is it Mars or is it Jupiter?
Jupiter! Jupiter!
Who
Jupiter!
has the mic? Alright.
Jupiter! Jupiter!
Alright, Jupiter is the right answer. I still see some more. Yes, Jupiter is the right answer. Do you want one more or do we have the teams here? Alright then. How many of you know Arjuna? Alright, how many of you know Chitrangada? Not a lot of you? I'll still throw a question at you. So name the son of Arjun and Chitrangada. Is it Abhimanyu? Is it Ghatotkach? Is it... No. Let me finish the options. Is it Babruwahana or is it Shratakarma?
Babruwahana!
Alright, Babruwahana is the right answer. Now, thank you for giving that answer. You are actually one of the winners. In case, if I miss out on someone, I still remember their faces. So please do meet me at the booth. With that, we move on with the quiz, which is going to happen at the stage. Over to you, Rana. Over to the contestants on the screen. And on the stage, that is. If you want more questions, keep on making that noise, guys. Come on. Not enough. Can I have some more whistles, please? A few more. Amazing.
All right, the teams are coming up. Here you go, team 1. Raise your hands, come forward. There you go. Okay, team 2. There you guys. Who's the head of your team?
I'll be there. Pradeep. I'm Pradeep.
Hello, Pradeep.
Rahul.
Rahul.
Vishal. Rohan. Karthikeya.
Welcome, sir, to Amar Chitrakatha quiz. And so, and you.
Bharat. Vishal. Anvesh. Ganesh. Anil.
Team 2, welcome to Amar Chitrakatha.
Pranav.
Aparna.
Pranav. Sakshit. Siddharth.
Oh, lots of Pranavs in this group. So we'll call this team Pranav in some ways. Team 3, welcome.
Yeah, we can actually begin the quiz. No, there is just three of them. There's just three of them.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin. Round 1.
So that's team number 1, team number 2, team number 3. Whom do you think is gonna win? Team number 1, 2 or 3? Alright, you already have your favorites, guys. Do us proud.
All right.
Yes, it's the picture quiz.
All right, it's the picture quiz. That's your screen up there.
Questions for team number 1.
Oh, this is just question team number 1? Team number 1?
Yes, team number 1.
Okay, name this mythical creature that is said to be made up of 9 animals. The rooster, the peacock, the bull, the lion, the human, the elephant, the deer, the tiger and the snake.
You have 10 seconds to answer this.
No options. This is a picture quiz, sir. Look at the picture and I've asked you the question.
Audience, do you know the answer?
It's a mythical creature. Whether it's deity, whether it's God, that you have to say, sir. All right, you have 10 seconds, team 1.
Alright, time's up, team 1. It moves on to the audience. What's the answer? I beg your pardon?
Something like Navagunjara.
Is that the right answer?
That is the right answer.
Amazing, you
Well
win a
done.
goodie from us.
Well done, ma'am.
Alright, team 1. That's not it. Let's move on to the next question, Rana, with team 2.
All right. Team 2, are you ready? Yes. Name this devotee of Vishnu after whom the pole star is named. ఆన్సర్ బై అక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చేస్తుంది తొందరగా
ప్రహ్లాద్
ప్రహ్లాద్ నీకు కనిపిస్తున్నాడు అక్కడ అందులో
పోల్ స్టార్ కదా
ప్రహ్లాద్ మీద ఏ స్టార్ అని చెప్పు నాకు పోల్ స్టార్ పేరు ప్రహ్లాదా అన్న అక్కడి నుంచి అరిసేస్తున్నారన్న వాళ్ళు క్యాచ్ కూడా చేయట్లేదు మీరు ఇంత గట్టిగా అరుస్తున్నారన్న ఇంకా మీరు క్యాచ్ చేయట్లేదు మీ బ్యాగ్లో అక్కడ ఇచ్చేస్తాను లోపల చెప్తున్నా ఇప్పుడే
Alright. Alright, we throw it to the
మీరు
audience.
చెప్పింది ధ్రువ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ గైస్ ఆర్ విన్నర్స్ నాట్ యు Alright, team 3, are you ready? Yes. Name this wise woman who brought her husband back from death.
Savitri. Sati Savitri.
Name this famous couple.
Sati Savitri Satyavantudu. Sati Savitri and Satyavantudu.
Perfect, and that is the right answer.
So we have team 3 getting the first points, guys. Cheer up for them.
All right, team 3, you're in first spot. Well done.
Alright, so at the end of round 1, or the first set of questions, team 3 is leading. We move on to the next first team once again.
All right. Guys, back to you again. You ready? Name this deity from Kerala who was the son of Shiva and Vishnu's Mohini avatar.
Ayyappan.
Well done, and that is the correct answer. Ayyappan it is, team 1. There you go. Well done.
Alright, team 1 is also at 1 point. We move to team 2.
Okay, guys, here it is. Identify this two-headed bird.
All
And
right,
name the Indian state which has it in its emblem.
Rana, I think there's a technical glitch.
There's a technical glitch. Can I? Screen is coming back. కంగారు పడక టెన్షన్ ఇంకా రాలేదు నువ్వు అలా లేదు ఇంకా రాలేదు. Someone's fixing the monitor for us?
Yeah, I think by the time the monitor gets fixed, do you want one more question, audience? Yeah, all right then. All right, this question is for the audience. Which bird is the Vahana of Kamdev? Is it a pigeon? Is it a kite? Is it a sparrow? Or is it a parrot? I see someone over there. What's the answer?
Parrot!
Parrot is the correct answer.
That is the right answer, sir. Perfect.
All right, do you want one more? Okay, the screen's fixed.
Okay, I can see myself on screen. Can you guys see the question and answers too?
All right, guys. People in the audience, please make some more noise. I can ask you one more.
Now we have to ask many more now. Go.
All right. Who was the husband of Kaurava princess Dushala? Was it Jarasandha? Was it Rukmi? Was it Jayadratha? Or was it Shishupal? All right, the screen's back, but I did hear Jayadratha, so you do win this one. All right, back to team number 2.
Okay, guys, back to you. In Google చూసారా? Okay, question one more time. Identify this two-headed bird and name the Indian state which has it in its emblem.
ఇండియన్ స్టేట్ అంట గండవేరుడు
కానీ ఒకే ఫోటో రెండు క్వశ్చన్లు ఉన్నా ఒకే ఫోటో ఇచ్చాను
కర్ణాటక
నీకు ఇచ్చాను కదా సత్యవాన్ సావిత్రి ఇద్దరు రెండు అడుగుతాయా అవి ఓకే కమాన్ గైస్
బర్డ్ నేమ్ ఇస్ గండవేరుడు
ఓకే
ఇండియన్ స్టేట్ కర్ణాటక
You're not supposed to help your favorite teams.
All right, well done team 2. You guys win the next second one too as well.
All right, all of them are on 1 point each, but
Okay.
it's team 3 to take the lead.
Can you say the answer loudly on the mic?
గండవేరుడు స్టేట్ కర్ణాటక
Perfect. Well done, sir.
మైసూర్ శాండిల్ సోప్ వాడితే తెలిసింది అది అంటున్నా.
Okay. Next one, guys. Name this devout boy who questioned Yama.
మార్కండేయుడు
Name this devout boy who questioned Yama. వాళ్ళు చాలా షార్ప్ ఉన్నారు అబ్బాయి అటు సైడ్ వాళ్ళు మరీ షార్ప్ ఉన్నారు అందరు మీరు అందరు ఇక్కడ ఒక్కటి 1 సెకండ్ అని ఇవ్వండి రా వీళ్ళకి చెప్తారు ఉండండి మీరు ఏ వాళ్ళు చెప్పేస్తున్నారు ఏ అడిగా డైరెక్ట్ ఇంకేముంది బయట ఇస్తే ఆళ్ళకెళ్తుంది పాయింట్ నీకు రాదు చూడు నువ్వు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తే స్క్రీన్ కూడా పోతుంది అక్కడ ఎముడే ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాడు All right, guys in the audience. Okay, I can hear right and all right, Nachiketa is the right answer. Nachiketa. Okay, guys. So now everyone's in ties. Everyone has 1 point each. All right, well done. All of you are back on standard stage with one point each. Let's go.
So what's going to happen now is a question will be thrown at you. It is going to be a tiebreaker. So whoever gets it first moves into the final. Whoever gets it second on the next question, that is, also moves to the
So
final.
keep the mics very close to your mouth. As soon as you see the image and I finish asking the question, you have to answer. All right? This is about speed. And you guys stay quiet. Okay? Aha. Screen మళ్ళీ తేడా చేసింది మనల్ని. The screen is still okay. Can the small screens come up? Yeah, can the small screen come up? The next one. The next slide, please. Okay, here you go. Can you guys see the screens here? Name this famous Vishnu devotee. Name the famous Vishnu devotee who is the son of.
ప్రహ్లాద్
ప్రహ్లాద
ప్రహ్లాద హిరణ్యకశ్యపు
ఆల్రైట్ వెల్ డన్. ఎవరు చెప్పారు? ప్రహ్లాద్.
ఫాదర్ హిరణ్యకశ్యపు.
ప్రహ్లాద్ ఒకళ్ళు చెప్పారు, హిరణ్యకశిపుడు ఇంకోటి చెప్పారు.
ఇక్కడ
నేను
హిరణ్యకశ్యపు.
చెప్పాను ఇక్కడ నుంచి వచ్చింది ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్.
ఫాదర్
సో ఓకే.
ఫాదర్ అన్నారు హిరణ్యకశ్యపు.
లేదు హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు, ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నా అందరినీ.
ఓకే
ఆల్రైట్, కెన్ వి గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్లీజ్ టు మేక్ అ టై బ్రేకర్ బిట్వీన్ ఆల్ దీస్ పీపుల్? ఓకే. One of the Saptarishis, this great sage stopped the Vindhya mountains from growing. What is his name?
జమదగ్ని
Wrong answer. One of the Saptarishis.
భృగు మహర్షి.
Wrong answer. One of the Saptarishis, this great sage stopped the Vindhya mountains from growing. What is his name?
కశ్యప.
Wrong answer.
విశ్వామిత్ర
Now,
భగీరథ
Agastya, and that's the right answer. It's Agastya Muni. How are all you guys playing equally here? How many tiebreaker questions can I ask?
It's just their way of spending more time with you.
Okay. Mics, all of you, close. Because this is the last tiebreaker question. After that, I'm pushing all of you down, getting some other teams. You can't play this like this. All right. In which city is the Brihadishwara temple located?
తంజావూర్.
Well done, right answer. Okay.
So team 1 qualifies
Team
for the
one,
next round.
finally.
We
Team
need
1
one more
qualifies.
for one of the other teams to qualify.
Say it one more time.
So this team has qualified. We need one more team from these.
Okay. Okay, now it's between both of you. It's about speed. Answering it correctly. What is the name of the elephant in this
ఐరావతం.
picture?
ఐరావతం. ఐరావతం.
I have to give it to him because I heard it first there.
All right. So we have
answer చెప్పాడు మనోడు.
so we have the two teams for the next round.
But thank you guys. This was awesome. It was such a pleasure. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you.
All right, guys, give it up for the first two teams. This is the last round, guys.
Thank you. Thanks, man. All the best. Sure. All the best, man. All the best, guys. Thank you. All right, with these two teams, shall we move on? చూసావా ఆన్సరు? నిజం చెప్పు.
All right, guys, make some noise. This is the last round.
All right, guys, this is the last round. Let's go. All right, guys, question 1. Should we go team by team or should we go? How do we go? We'll go team by
Yeah.
team? All right. Team 2 first. Which river goddess is said to ride a tortoise? Options are Tapati, Ganga, Saraswati, or Yamuna.
యమున.
Yamuna is the right answer. Well done, team. Okay. Guys, ready for the question? Which of the Navadurgas has a donkey as her Vahana? And the options are Skandamata, Mahagauri, Kalratri. Which of the Navadurgas has a donkey as her Vahana? Skandamata, Mahagauri. ఏంటి అలా చూస్తున్నావు? ఇంక రెండు ఆప్షన్ చెప్పనా?
చెప్పండి
కాలరాత్రి. అంతే, మూడే ఉన్నాయి ఆప్షన్.
All right, time's up for that.
కాళరాత్రి.
Time's up or no? It's okay? Okay.
కాళరాత్రి.
And that is the right answer, brother.
Yeah, awesome. Just a request before Rana moves on to the next question. Guys in the center aisle, can you move away from the wires or else you'll not be able to see what's happening on the screen, please.
ఓ మీ వల్ల ఈ డ్యామేజ్ అంతా అర్థమైంది. ఓకే, జరగండి. ఓకే, హూ ఇస్ భీష్మాస్ ఫాదర్? పాండు.
శాంతను.
Well done, and that is the right answer. You didn't even need options. Are you guys ready? Shiva has many names, one of which is Aja. What does the name Aja mean? Auspicious, innocent, unborn, or powerful?
Unborn.
And that is the right answer. Well done, guys.
All right, so the next question is the tiebreaker, and whoever gets it wins the quiz. Yeah, so anybody can answer.
Okay, anybody can answer this? Okay, then I guess it's the first one going. What does the name Sita mean?
Land.
Land.
Land. Oh,
Custard, plow, axe,
Plow, plow,
or
plow,
furrow?
plow.
plow, 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 plow.
Wrong answer, both of you.
Custard, axe, plow. Huh?
One more round.
Yeah.
Custard, plow, axe, or furrow?
Furrow, furrow, furrow. It's furrow.
And you answer that first.
So with that, we have the winner. Sorry, team number 2, but you guys played really well. Team 1, you can stay on stage. We will be doing the book launch along with you.
Thank you, man.
Right, all right, all right, all
All
right.
right, and the winners.
All right, guys, give it up for team 1.
You go, boys. Well done. Congratulations.
All right, guys, can you please give your names quickly?
Pranav.
Pranav Reddy.
Pranav Sami.
Pranav Reddy.
Siddharth, Sakshit.
Aparna.
All right, guys. Very, very well done to team 1. Congratulations. Thank you. And sir.
So with this, we come to a very, very, very beautifully done quiz by our quiz master, Rana Daggubati. With that, I would like to call upon stage the chief editor of Amar Chitrakatha, Reena Puri, followed by Savio Mascarenas, who's the group art director at Amar Chitrakatha. Guys, give it up for them. Come on. I would also like to call upon stage Preeti Vyas, who's the CEO at Amar Chitrakatha. Come on, guys, give it up for her.
Namaste, sir.
And if Damini is here, she heads the marketing for Amar Chitrakatha. Can you also come up on stage? Guys, give them a huge round of applause. They are here to launch a very, very, very important book in front of all of you here at Hyderabad Comic Con. Give it up for them. All right, guys, are you ready for the book launch? Because some of you might just get some hands in them. All right, that's Devas for you.
The stories of the Vedic deities. Here you go.
Thousands of comics in my room, and yeah, this is the first time seeing you in person, and I'm so stoked right now. Can we get a kick on?
All right, guys, with this, here's the latest book from Amar Chitrakatha, Devas. You can actually get them at the Amar Chitrakatha booth, which is right near the entrance. I would like you to give us one more round of shout out before we allow Rana, Reena, Savio, and Preeti to speak about the book. Come on, guys, on 1, 2, 3. Over to you, Rana.
No, when Reena's on stage, it's not over to me, it's over to her first.
Over to you, Reena.
There you go, Reena.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for being here, Radha. It's
Such an
a
honor.
real honor for us. And this book is very, very special to Amar Chitrakatha and to my entire creative team. because we've been thinking about it for years. We felt that we gave a lot of importance to the Trinity, Shiva, Vishnu, Brahma, but these are gods from our even more ancient past. You know, our ancestors who used to worship nature, they worshipped water, trees, the rivers, the mountains, the fire, the elements. So these are stories from the Rig Vedas, from the other Vedas, on 10 gods of the Vedic age. They include Indra, they include Agni, they include Pushan, they include gods who are quite neglected in my opinion. So we are giving them a little, shout out because their stories are truly beautiful. The team had a lovely time creating it. We had our artists who were so excited. We had our script writers who were so involved in the research. So we hope that you will enjoy this comic, you will buy this comic, and you will read and learn and know the stories about these wonderful deities of old. Thank you so much for all the love and for all the affection and for all the support. Thanks a lot.
Over to you, Savio. Over to you, Preeti.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure and a delight when we come up with a book like this. I can speak about the fabulous art that has gone into the making of this. It took us almost a year to do this. And what's special about this book is we have behind the scenes in the last few pages, which gives you an insight of how a comic book is made, how the characters are created, how the covers are designed, how the lettering is made. The entire process. I guess if anyone wants to understand how the comic book, the people behind a comic book, then the last few pages are very important. And of course, the entire comic has got a variety of artists, so you will have a fantastic time reading it. And of course, the visuals are mind-blowing. So thank you very much, and I hope you'll drop by to pick up your copies.
Over to you, Preeti.
Thank you everyone for being here. When the team said we are doing Hyderabad Comic Con, the first question was, will Rana come? And I said,
Obviously.
without even checking with him, that if he's not shooting, if he's in the country, he will surely be there. Because it's Hyderabad, how can he not be there? And it's Amar Chitakatha, which is his love of his life, right? So thank you very much, Rana. Thank you very much to all of you. I think Amar Chitakatha is 57 years old, and we are trying really hard to keep Uncle Pai, our founders, Mr. Anand Pai's vision alive. And I think he would be very happy today for two reasons. That this is a brand new book, it's fresh content, it's new stories. Our team has worked just the way he taught us to. So it's a lot of research, a lot of hard work gone in. And it's a brand new book. We're still coming out with a lot of new books. And the second reason to be really happy is to witness a quiz. Yeah, he loved quizzing, and a live quiz with some tricky questions and hosted by Rana. I think it was the cherry on the cake. So nothing more to be said. Thank you very much. And everyone, we do have a special kit which we have launched, which has a tote bag and the Devas book and a journal and lots of goodies inside. So check it out at the ACK booth. Lots of things, lovely things at the stall. So come and check out all our new books and our new merch. Thanks, guys. Rana, any sign off from you?
Hello. My life started when I read a comic book that had this cover when I was 10 years old. And clearly, from then on, these lovely people have been in that company, inspiring people like me and all of you just to understand India, its diversity, its beautiful stories. I'm just so honored and glad to be a little part of this company, and I was so excited to do this on stage. So it's not you guys thanking me, it's me thanking all of you. And I hope there are many more ACK quizzes, many more comics. And congrats on the Devas. It's stories that are lesser known to all of us. Part of these questions in the quiz today were from these comics. So I'm hoping you guys read them, enjoy them, and get to the ACK booth. I'll see you guys there. Thank you.
All right, guys, give a big shout out to Rana for hosting the quiz, for being with you.